Hi everyone. We had a really great show here at Automechanika at Frankfurt, and we decided to tease you a little bit with the upcoming releases for Q3. So to start off, what we have here is an SCR catalyst for DAF XF trucks. It's a little bit smaller now, but that's because there's more efficient use of space this way. And we also have DPF for Mercedes Arocs, Antos and Citaro trucks. And you can see here it's using silicon carbon material, which is the more premium version of the two. Now the final teaser, the Iveco Euro Cargo Euro 6 full one box. And as you can see here, we plan on this to be the new GameChanger. You can see that at this stage it is fully empty. That is because it's been designed to have replaceable substrates from the ground up, which means that you no longer need to worry about remanufacturing the full one box. If you have hours, just open it up, replace the substrates, no welding necessary, just bolts and screws. Visit our web shop to order these new releases and many more, and please make sure to follow us on social media, and see you next time.